Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change Gmail display language. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Gmail account. On top you see setting. So click on it and then you see all settings. So again click on it. Now loading. So we are in general setting and then you see language and then you see Gmail display language. Drop down select. So you can select according to requirement. You see we have multiple languages in drop down. Now select this. So we select this language and then scroll down. You see save changes. So click on it. Now saving. Now loading again. Now you see Gmail display language is changed. So again click on settings and then you see all settings. So again click on it. So you can select language according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.